Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get notes on Instagram. If you think that this video is gonna be helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get straight into it. Now from the home screen of your Instagram, if you tap on the message section on the top right, you'll be able to see this notes option right here. But if you don't see this option, you can try out a couple of things. The first thing that you can do is you can try to update the app of Instagram if you haven't yet. Open up your Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device and just search for Instagram. If there is an update, make sure you tap on update and then update your app. After you update your app, you can try to check if it adds the feature of notes. If it still doesn't, you can try to get the beta version of your Instagram. To do that, you can simply tap on this Instagram logo and it will take you inside to a new section where you'll see an option of beta right here. Because I've already joined, it says you're a beta tester. So the beta version is the latest and the test version of any apps, which lets you have all of the new features that have been added. So you can try to download it and install it on your phone. Now after you do these two steps, you should be able to get the notes on Instagram. If you still don't, you can wait out a couple of days because Instagram is slowly releasing its new feature and everyone does not get all the features all at once. So you can wait out a couple of days, and after a couple of days you should be able to get the notes on Instagram as well. So I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, also subscribe to our channel. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching.